Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Welcome to today's lesson on mastering present continuous questions in English. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by how to form questions like, "What are you doing?" you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of not just forming these questions, but also answering them confidently. Let's start with the basics. In English, the present continuous tense is used for actions happening right now or around the current time. The typical structure for a present continuous question is to start with a question word, followed by the auxiliary verb to be, the subject, and finally, the main verb ending in ing. For example, are you studying English? Here, are is the auxiliary verb, you is the subject, and studying is the main verb in its ing form. Now let's dive into positive questions. These are questions that expect a positive response. For instance, are you enjoying this lesson? Notice how the question begins with the auxiliary are, followed by the subject you, and ends with the main verb in ing form, enjoying. Next, let's talk about word order. It's crucial to get this right to make your questions sound natural. Remember, the order is question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and then the ing verb. Let's look at an example. What is she doing? Here, what is our question word, followed by is, the auxiliary verb she, the subject, and doing, the main verb. Finally, let's cover short answers. These provide a quick and simple response to questions. If someone asks, is he working? A short answer could be yes, he is, or no, he isn't. To wrap up, forming present continuous questions involves using the correct word order and understanding how to respond with short answers. Practice these steps and soon you'll be asking and answering questions like a pro. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing those present continuous questions. Make sure to subscribe for more language learning tips and tutorials. See you next time.